Hey, hello everyone. Today we have the Milwaukee sharpener, I think, and it's just not moving, not working. Honestly, I'm seeing this tool for the first time. I think I need to release this one. Okay, nice. So I will unscrew this screw, I think, and then probably it will release the disc. Okay, what we have here. Strange. Okay, now it works. Let's try to open it and check what we have inside. Okay, so now we can try to remove it. Of course, first of all, what I can see is a bearing here, and okay, maybe it feels not bad. Still, I want to try to remove it. Oh, we have the washer for the bearing. That's nice. And we have the bearing itself. The bearing is a little bit dry from the inside, but it's not wobbling. Okay, it's a R42RS, I think. Strange. Yeah, it can be. Okay, this one looks not bad. The part of my glove left on the spring ring. Okay, so now we need to go inside of it, the O-ring, Looks good. Okay. We have a sticker here. Okay, what we have here, we have pretty simple design with a simple motor, speed controller, the button. Okay. This ball bearing is a little bit wobbling, but not looks to be bad. So we need to inspect the brushes. Okay, so strange. It looks good with the brushes, so I think I need to clean it maybe with the compressed air and assemble it back. Let's try to take it out. Strange, nothing shows the signs of the stuck motor or something. Okay, I will clean it a little bit and we'll put it back together. Okay, I have just cleaned it and I don't know, need to test it again, I think. Assemble and test. Okay. So, the micro switch need to be inserted here. Okay. Yeah, we can hear the sound. It's sticking. Okay, it spins, so now I can try to close it. Not got the battery terminal in place correctly. Okay. Now got it correctly. Okay, let's check what we have here, if it still works or not. Okay, it works on the first speed. Okay, so it it works. Basically I did nothing. Maybe just moved it. I don't know. Almost forgot the blade. And I still don't know what customer sharpening with this one, so if you know something about this tool, let me know, because honestly I'm seeing it for the first time. Okay. The blade is spinning inside. This one can be tightened, adjusted, and so on. Now, this is for the blade holding, I think. Okay. Okay, so that's all. I don't know, maybe all what's needed is to move it and maybe some cleaning from that side. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Bye.